Hello friends, welcome back to the video series in Basics of Shell Scripting. In this video, we would discuss how the logical OR operator is used in the shell scripting with the if condition. In the previous video, already we have discussed on the AND operator, that means the AND logical operator. AND means when both and all the conditions are true, then only if condition is true. In the case of OR operator, if any one of the condition, that means more than any one of the condition is true, then if condition is true. Otherwise, if all the conditions are false, the if condition fails. Let us create a script to demonstrate how it can be done. And also we are working on the same file hello.sh to demonstrate that particular video, that means the OR operator. So here we are providing a variable, that is age, and giving a value as 20. Then we are providing if, then starting of the square bracket for the first condition, $age, then minus eq, that means equal to 18 space, then end of square bracket, and now another space. And how the OR operator is used in the shell script? Now using double piping symbol. So here we are providing double piping symbol. Then the next condition, and here $age is same, equal to, we are providing suppose 19. Another OR operator and another condition we are providing age minus eq, that is suppose 20, then end of the condition. Here then, and after that we are providing the echo, and that is a valid age, otherwise else, and we are providing echo, that is not valid age, end of double quote, and here finally the fi keyword. Let us save the file at first and execute it. Age is 20 given here. What is happening? If age is equal to 20, at that moment 18, so it fails. 19, it fails. But here age is 20 given, so it is true. Any one of the condition is true, that means age is equal to 18 or 19 or 20, one condition is true, the valid age would be the output. Let's check with the execution. .hello.sh valid age. Let us check it with 21. Control S. So here we are providing, and that must be not valid age. But that is not always true. It is better we are providing in place of equal to, here less than equal to, and we are providing suppose 100. So any age is 18 or 19 or in between or in this less than 100, that would be a valid age. Let us check with the output. So valid age, because that is 21. Let us check it with 101. Control S, that must be not valid age. So execute it, and not valid age. So that is how we can use the OR operator in the shell script. And for the OR operator in the shell script, we should use the piping symbol. If you find the video is useful, then like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.